Hi there, students. After the fact and before the fact. Let's see, I think first of all I want to look at these in legal terms. You can be an accessory after the fact and an accessory before the fact. In legal terms, the fact is the crime committed. So if you're an accessory before the fact, you help somebody to commit a crime, but you help them prepare for the crime. So maybe you supply them with the finance that they need to commit the crime. This would be an accessory before the fact. Yeah, this is helping somebody before the offence is committed. Yeah, or you could be an accessory after the fact. Yeah, maybe you drive the getaway vehicle. That would be an accessory after the fact. Or maybe you help hide the money that a criminal has stolen. This would be an accessory after the fact. Okay, so in law you have an accessory before the fact, an accessory after the fact. Yeah, it's a legal phrase saying that you help somebody, yeah, and you could help them before they've committed the crime, and you could help them after they've committed the crime. Okay, so yeah, before and after the fact. You then can extend this to say before or after something has happened. So he's always making excuses after the fact. Yeah, after something has taken place, after the accident happened, yeah, he started making excuses. But making excuses after the fact is it doesn't really help very much. Or maybe you could make excuses before the fact, before the event happens, yeah, before it goes on. Okay, so after the fact, after something has happened. Okay, and then before the fact, before the thing has happened. So don't start apologizing before the fact. Let's see how it turns out. Okay, so before the fact, after the fact, before or after an event has taken place, but also before or after a crime has taken place. Okay, before the fact, before something happens, after the fact. Yeah. Let's see, if you ask for approval after the fact, then, well, maybe after the fact you can ask for approval, but probably it's better to ask for forgiveness. Yeah, so I think before the fact, this is maybe something that you assume to be true before doing your study, a priori. Yeah, before something happens, and then after the fact, post hoc. Yeah, after something is finished, after it's done. So you entered into a contract, and now you signed the contract. You can't change the terms of the contract after the fact. You can only change the terms of the contract before the fact. Okay, so before and after is very clear, and the fact is the thing that you're talking about. In legal terms, it's the commission of a crime. Before the fact, you help somebody, an accessory before the fact helps somebody prepare. An accessory after the fact helps somebody to try to get away with it. Yeah, but the fact, in law it's the crime, but in other things it's before or after something has actually happened, before it's gone through. Okay, before the fact and after the fact formality. I think I'm going to give them a 6.5 in formality. I wouldn't use informally. Use in the semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And the origin, well, it's the fact. The origin itself is a legal concept. Before the crime, after the crime. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Before the fact and after the fact.